Okay, the thing finally installed. It took much longer than I thought it would, and I thought I'll just show you the last bit. It ends up with this. We click on finish, and as you can see, the box was ticked to take me straight into Excel. So let's see what happens next. I've not done this before, so this is not an exercise. I have to live with the problems that it gives, and I see there it says add in Analytic Solver data mining. Okay, that was not too painful. As you can see there, it is Analytic Solver data mining. Oh, vanished quickly. Hopefully it will come back. Read only Excel, not responding. Brought up this. And as you can see, there's Analytic Solver and data mining. Look for add-ins, Right, so let's go and see if that works. Go to options, go to add-ins. I'm just checking it. According to me, it's installed already. I can see it on top here, but I'm just checking. And if yours haven't installed, you can go here, click on Excel add-ins, go, and you can see there's Analytic Solver, and I can click on Solver add-in. I don't need any of the others. And you need this analysis toolpack, by the way. That will make life a lot easier for you overall. Okay, so there I've actually installed live Analytic Solver, and you've got an idea of how it works. I'll endeavor to make some videos of some of the examples that there is. It comes with a quick start guide, and Excel Solver upgrade guide, and so on. I'm going to save this welcome file, save as, in copy of welcome under the place where I can get it again. I've created a whole heap of shortcuts that help me a lot. As you'll see, there's my RMIT Business Analytics and Analytic Solver. So I placed a copy of the welcome in there, so I don't have to get back to it and get there some other time. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the last bit of this. And then to stop the recording.